right now in the way that they've stepped up to help everyone in West Texas.
Yeah, and you absolutely know that if we were dealing with a similar situation here, they'd be helping us out too.
Exactly. Yeah. And thankfully, we are not dealing with wildfires right now, Carson.
Yeah, we're actually going to deal with the potential of storms, Casey, later on this week, and we're getting into that time of year now.
Yeah.
We're at the start of the primary severe weather season, and I am becoming a bit concerned with Thursday and Thursday evening. I'll talk about that here in just a second. But stats from the day, it was a great day. Can you live with this, Casey? 76 degrees?
I think so.
76, that's
perfect.
That's hard to beat for an early meteorological spring-like temperature there. 69 is the normal, and then 1955 we set the record of 90 degrees. We're about 14 degrees shy of that today. Not a lot going on across East Texas. We do have a few clouds, and cloud cover will increase. This is a live look at downtown Tyler atop the beautiful Plaza Tower there. We're starting to see more clouds move in from deep East Texas, and as I mentioned before, we will be mostly cloudy to start out tomorrow morning. Temperature-wise, we are in the middle to upper 60s, and that 24-hour temperature change with an increase in Gulf moisture and cloud cover. We're quite a bit warmer than where we were at this point last night, by about 5 to 15 degrees, so we'll continue that trend at least into tomorrow. 61 for your low temperature, increasing clouds. Winds will pick up just a little bit as well. You probably noticed that this evening. It will be a bit breezy for tomorrow. We'll be dealing with a few passing clouds, maybe an isolated shower tomorrow afternoon, but the main theme for tomorrow is how warm it's going to be. We take a detour right back into the lower 80s. Satellite and radar, not a lot going on across the Lone Star State, with the exception of those clouds beginning to build in from the south and southwest. But out to our west, we've got our next piece of energy heading our way. This is a weather maker. Already some snows for the Rockies and portions of Utah, and it's heading in our direction as we speak. Not a lot happening for tomorrow, maybe a shower or two tomorrow afternoon, but the main action, that does not begin until Thursday afternoon. We start out with cloud cover Thursday morning, but Thursday afternoon, we do start to see a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms at 5 o'clock in the evening. And this is something we will have to keep a close eye on because we're going to have very unstable air. We're going to also have a little bit of wind shear, and that could mean a few pretty nasty severe thunderstorms. So we'll keep an eye on that. But storms come to an end Friday morning. We'll still see a few showers and thunderstorms Friday afternoon in deep East Texas. Then we get a little break, and we could start to see a little redevelopment as we move towards your Saturday. Slight risk of severe weather for our central and southern counties. Marginal risk further to the south and to the east. This is a level 1 in the green, level 2 in the yellow. And we are dealing with the main threats of damaging winds and some large hail, while the secondary threat will be the threat of tornadoes, especially the earlier the storms form. Those are going to be the storms that are going to have the most spin in them. And if we do see a lot of rain, flash flooding could be a factor as well. Here are the next 7 days. We're tracking those showers and thunderstorms Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Highs will be in the 80s, but back into the 60s by the time we roll into the next week. Deep East Texas, same deal. Decent storm chances Thursday, Friday, with another round coming at us Saturday. Maybe a few showers Sunday.